So, for this video, given all the work that we've done on growing and shrinking of binary numbers on the Collatz conjecture, I sort of wanted to restate the Collatz problem. So we'll recall we saw that the max growth condition was that we could add 2 digits to a binary number, and the minimum shrinking condition was that we could remove 1 digit. And so then we saw how any odd binary number of this pattern must reduce, right? It must have fewer digits than after it passes through the odd Collatz step and the n/2 step, than it started out with. So we can sort of restate the Collatz conjecture, right? We can say, 1, choose any binary string starting and ending with 1, right? So pick any number, pick any binary string of this form. So it starts with 1 and ends with 1, right? So you can have whatever, 0s and 1s. It can be any length. And yeah, this is an odd binary number. And we saw very early on how, we have our class of powers of 2 that reduce. Then we have all other even numbers that turn into an odd number. And so, here we have our odd number that we're going to pick. So we're going to, say, pick anyone. And the second step is apply the Collatz function to it. Right. And then 3, right, our question is, does the pattern ever appear? Right? And so if this pattern ever appears, right, then we know that the number reduces, and the Collatz conjecture, I believe, is true. I'm not really too sure how to show that, but you have, this very interesting restatement of the problem where initially it was about all sort of positive integers, and now we've got this binary string that behaves in this way. And, we're applying a specific transform to it. We're applying the Collatz function, and we saw how that 3n plus 1 step is the one that reshuffles the digits in it. The n/2 step is sort of just cascading, kicking off the 0s at the end and letting us work with this new string. So whenever we reshuffle these patterns, if we can apply the Collatz function to it in an infinite manner, repeatedly, as many times as we want, does this pattern ever appear? Can you ever disallow it? I think that's pretty much all I've got for now.